In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Vids details. Navigating through the vast world of online videos, especially when it comes to managing or understanding specific details about them, can sometimes be a daunting task. Thankfully, platforms like Google Vids provide user-friendly interfaces to make this task a breeze. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or simply someone trying to organize and understand the key details of your videos stored on Google Vids, this guide is tailored just for you. Let's start from the very beginning. The first thing you'd want to do is to visit Google Vids. This platform is part of the larger Google Workspace suite of tools designed to enhance productivity and creativity. So when you type in the URL or search for Google Vids, you're directed to its home page. This spot is your gateway to exploring, managing, and diving into the details of your videos. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to sign in. By clicking on the Sign In button, you'll be asked to enter your credentials. However, as most of us are continuously logged into our Google accounts, this step is often seamlessly integrated. Your browser might automatically detect your Google account, making the login process almost invisible. Yet, if you're using a shared computer or have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one linked to your Google Workspace. After successfully logging in, the real journey begins. Your account holds the treasure trove of your video projects and uploads. Now, to get into the nitty-gritty details of your Google Vids, navigate to the specific video you are interested in. This can typically be from your recent files or by directly searching for it if you've got a large library. Getting to know the intricacies of your video starts with accessing its menu. Here you would want to find and click on the File section. It's in this area where Google has centralized the control and management options for your content. The File menu acts as the command center for your video, giving you access to a range of actions and details. The final step in our guide is to dive into the details. When you click on Details, it's like opening a vault full of data pertinent to your video. This section is incredibly useful for understanding various aspects like video resolution, file size, upload date, and much more. These pieces of information can be crucial for content creators aiming to optimize their videos or for professionals analyzing video performance and engagement. Now, why is it important to know these details? For starters, understanding your video's resolution and file size can help you ensure that your content meets platform-specific requirements and is optimized for seamless playback on different devices. The upload date can give you insights into the content lifecycle and help you plan your publishing calendar more effectively. So there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide that shows you how to seamlessly navigate through Google Vids to check your video details. Remember, knowing these details not only helps in efficient video management, but also plays a crucial role in optimizing your content strategy. A tip that might come in handy is to regularly check the details of your videos, especially before major campaigns or releases. This ensures that all your content is correctly formatted and ready to make the biggest impact. Moreover, Google Vids integrates seamlessly with the entire Google Workspace. Hence, understanding how to maneuver through one app can significantly reduce the learning curve for others, thereby enhancing your overall productivity and efficiency. And there we have it, a comprehensive guide on how to effortlessly check the details of your videos on Google Vids. This knowledge empowers you to take control of your video content, ensuring it's always primed and ready for your audience. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, mastering these simple steps can significantly improve your video management process. Thank you for joining me today. Dive in, explore, and make the most of your Google Vids experience. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy content creating.